you are welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on the conversion of plane figure. Today we'll be working on equilateral. Equilateral, you convert it into, the first question is for us to draw the given the equilateral. The second part of the question is to convert the equilateral to a rectangle of equal area, and the third part is to convert the rectangle to a square of equal area. Now it's very simple. All you need to do, you can start from the base, because according to the question, the parameters for the equilateral are as follow. AB is 60, AB is equal to 60, BC is equal to 50, BC is equal to 50, DA is equal to 40, DA is equal to 40, angle DAB is equal to 70 degrees. Angle DAB is equal to 70 degrees. And finally, angle ABC is equal to 110. Angle ABC is equal to 110 degrees. So those are the parameters of the quadrilateral. So you start from the base. Let's draw a horizontal line, and we have been told that the base is AB. So let us pick a point. Let's pick this point and measure our AB. AB is 60. Measure 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 60. This is AB. And what do we have as angle A? According to you, we have DAB to be 70. D will be somewhere up here. So the one in the center is the owner of the angle. So angle A is 70 degrees. So you come to this portion and you measure 70 degrees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 70 degrees. And what is AD? AD, that is DA, is equal to 40. So along that line, measure 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is 40. Now make it thick. Now our AB, we have done that. Now what is, we are also given angle B, ABC. B in the center is the owner of the angle. That means B is 110. You put your protractor on B and measure 110, counting from here, because it is internal angle. This is 90, 100, 110 is somewhere here. So, and what is the length of BC? BC is 50. So you count 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is here. So you roll it like that. Now all you need to do for this is C and this is D. For the last line is just to join. So you join. That is the given equilateral. The given quadrilateral, quadrilateral ABCD. So we now move to the second part of the question, to convert the quadrilateral to a rectangle of equal area. Now, before we can convert it into a rectangle of equal area, we have to convert it to a triangle. That's where we start from. So how do we convert to a triangle? Let us extend the base on both sides. We extend the base on both sides like that. Now we need to draw a diagonal either this way or this way. If you draw this way, by the time we want to transfer it to this point, it may make our drawing to be very big. So let us draw a diagonal this way so that we can transfer it. You draw a diagonal like this. That is the rule. By the time you draw it this way, you now transfer that diagonal to this hanging D. Transfer it to D, like that. You can now come and extend it so that it intersects with the base. Yeah. So how to convert a quadrilateral to a triangle of equal area? The first thing, you need to draw a diagonal from the topmost part of the quadrilateral. By the time you do that, then you will have a corner hanging, which is D. So you transfer that AC to D such that it will bisect the baseline of the quadrilateral at this point. Let's say this point is E. So the next thing, now you can see we now have a parallelogram here, EDCA. So inside the parallelogram, you now draw a diagonal from the apex, from the topmost part of the quadrilateral to E, like this. That will be the triangle of equal area, and that will be CED, is triangle of equal area. But unfortunately, the question did not ask us to draw a triangle of equal area, so we will not thicken it. We will not make it thick. Now, to convert it into a rectangle of equal area, to convert it, just like we did in the last class, you drop a vertical line from the vertex. Remember, this is a triangle CEB. So you drop the line from the vertex. Let's say it will intersect the base at F. Now, you now bisect CF. You bisect CF because CF will be the altitude or height of the triangle of equal area. So you stay on F, mark arc to the right and to the left. You now go to C, you mark arc to the right and to the left. So you join them, you join the bisector with a horizontal line. Join the bisector with the horizontal line, yeah, like this. So the next thing is to extend the two base corners of the triangle. Remember, triangle CEB is the one that is of equal area. So you extend a vertical line from B upward and from E upward, so that we get a rectangle of equal area, like this and like this. So please do ensure you share this video and subscribe to the channel if you really enjoy what we are doing. So let us now call this portion G and this portion H. So remember, the second part of the question is that we should convert the quadrilateral to a rectangle of equal area. This is the rectangle of equal area, HGBE. So you can make it thick because we have been asked to construct it. We make it thick. You need to extend the base up to E, then the top, you also extend that one up to E. You notice that the triangle of equal area will not make it thick because the question did not instruct us to construct a triangle of equal area. Now the third part of the question now is to convert the rectangle to a square of equal area. We are now converting the rectangle to a square of equal area. How do you do that? The height of the rectangle, you put your pin on B and extend it to to G. That means we are making the height of the rectangle as the radius of an arc. So you describe an arc like this. So let's say it will intersect the base at J. Intersect the base at J. Now the next thing to do is to bisect between E and J. That is the end of the rectangle and J. How do you bisect it? You stay on the 2 point and mark arc above and below. Starting from J, you stay here. Unfortunately, because of space, it may enter into writing text here. So, but never mind. So you extend it out like this. Draw another one below. You now come to this other side. Draw one here and draw another one here. So let's see it again. You stay on J, you mark arc above and below. Then you stay on E. It has shifted. You see, that's why you have to be very careful. This is this and that one is still correct, but this other one, it has shifted. So you have to erase this one. That is not the correct one. So, and this one too, you have to erase it. So we have it here and here. So you can draw the vertical height like this. All this one are supposed to be in thin line. Let us say where it is intersecting the base is O. So that will be the center. The reason why we made the first mistake is when you are doing bisecting, but the same radius that you use to arc it from the first point should be the same radius you use to arc it on the second point. If you should adjust, definitely your bisector will not be perpendicular to the base and it will not be properly bisected. Now we have to now draw a semicircle using center O as center and extend your pencil to E, or you extend it to J. So I want to put it to E now. You describe this, yeah, like that. So that's the semicircle. Now the next stage is to now extend the side of the rectangle to touch the semicircle. Extend to touch the semicircle like this. That is, let's say this point is, we stopped at J. Let's say this is K. Now, height BK is the height, line BK is the length of the square we are looking for, which has the same area as the rectangle, which also has the same area as the quadrilateral. So how do you now complete it? You now measure the same length this way, or you just use your compass, put it on K, and you describe an arc. Let it stay very well. Okay, and you describe an arc like this. So you need to extend it to touch, to intersect with the base. Extend the base to intersect with it. So like that. So at that point, you now draw a vertical line. At that point, a vertical line. When you have drawn the vertical line, you can also stay on this point and describe another arc, or you just directly shift your T-square to K and you draw the line. So you can now, let's say this is L and this is M. So we now have our square of equal area. Our square of equal area like this and like that. So our square of equal area is BMLK. So BMLK is the required square of equal area. So you state it clearly like that. So that's all about conversion of a quadrilateral to a square of equal area. You first of all start from the quadrilateral, you convert it to a triangle of equal area. Then the triangle, you convert the triangle to a rectangle of equal area. Then you now convert the rectangle to a square of equal area. So that is the solution to the question. Do ensure you like this page, share. If you really enjoyed this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.